What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen. I'm not in the kitchen, it's actually in my office, but I wanted to come on here and say what's up for a minute and to explain this recipe to you, this green season recipe to you. But before I get into that, make sure that you have subscribed if you have not already subscribed, and turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever I upload videos like this. Okay, this one, yeah, just about anything, you will always be notified. And if you have not already subscribed to my second channel, Life as Juliana, be sure to do that. I'm going to insert the link down below, so you can go over there and subscribe. Also, I've noticed a lot of my new goodies that's coming in. Welcome. And I will do a separate video to explain who this yard girl is that's doing all these recipes. You guys are so curious, so I'm going to make a video for that. Make sure that you're washing your hands and you're practicing cleanliness, because I'm always say cleanliness is godliness. So make sure that you're practicing cleanliness, washing your hands. Do not put your hands in your face. Drink lots of water. These flop out that word. Drink lots of water, and also, this is critical to survival. Do not put your hands in your face, your eyes, and your mouth while you're outside. When you come home, take off your clothes. Make sure that you take a shower if necessary. You know, if you never like to bathe, no other time, you'll bathe 10 times a day. And you know, just make sure that your surroundings, your body is cleansed. Is basically what I'm saying. Take your shower, make sure your hands are clean. Do not pick your nose and there's something there, and not at this time. So make sure that you are practicing. I want you guys to be safe. I'm trying to be safe as well for myself and for my family as well. So yeah, if you have children, make sure that you're showing them how to wash their hands on a continuous basis. And I love you guys so much. Just try to be safe when this thing is past. We're all, you know, here. Some of us guys have issues with each other, family members, friends, and all them. Something. Now's not the time to have anger and animosity towards anybody. You want to show everybody love and just embrace everyone. And you know, some of us haven't seen our family members in so long, who are close-knit family members. We haven't seen our family members in so long. Pray for the nurses, pray for the doctors, pray for everybody in the medical field right now that's right at the front line. We are losing doctors and nurses and CNAs and all those people. Just ask God right now for strength and mercy, and just protect those people that are on the battlefield right now. You know, I know people right now in New York. I have family in New York. I have friends in New York that are, you know, scared to death right now, and I'm just praying that God does protect the world. This is not just the neighbor thing, this is the world. We're just asking God to have mercy on us. Just have mercy. We're asking for mercy, we're asking for strength, we're asking for peace, we're asking for guidance, we're just asking for our protection. Believe in God, people. God is real. God is so real. He's so real. He's so real. He's so mightiful. He's so powerful. And he's so real. But we just have to bow down to him. Sometimes we lost our faith and we lost our way in God. But it's sad. It's sad. Mankind has become so cruel and so wicked and so evil. And this is our punishment, to let us know that he is God and he is in control, and he is the one that giveth and he is the one that taketh. And just like he did in Egypt, we lost our faith in God, and he's going to clean up a lot of things, and the good have to go suffer for the bad. We have to stay prayed up at a time like this. We have to stay prayed up, people. Let's all come together and pray. And let go anger and let go hatred for our brothers and our sisters. We don't have to call and say hello, but pray for them anyway. If you guys notice when I'm doing my mukbangs, It may sound funny, but it's not. I always say, Lord, do not forget my haters. You have to pray for everybody, good, bad, and indifference. I'm not going to sit here, guys, and tell you that I'm perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm a work in process. God is working on me every day. But it's one thing, if I don't talk to someone, for whatever reason, I separate myself from that situation, I have no hatred in my heart for nobody. If the Lord should come and knock on my door right now and say, Juliana, come, I'm going. I'm not going to say, Lord, I'm not ready to become heart not clean. My heart is clean towards everyone. Good, bad, and indifferent. So if my family is watching this, if my friends are watching this, if my goodies are watching this, whoever is watching this, know that I love you guys. It doesn't matter if we not talk, it doesn't matter if we not speak, it doesn't matter if we have animosity towards that. We just not talk to each other in however long. Know that I have no hatred in my heart. My heart is clean. It's just that I separate myself from things that gonna make me feel stressed or whatever it is. But I love you guys. Stay prayed up, y'all. Stay prayed up. We have to stay prayed up. I love you guys, and so let's get right into the video.
In my eyes, you're a star, girl. Hey, she fit me, and she give me love plenty. Yeah, she authentic. This are the real thing. This are the plastic.
Alright, my good up friends. Let's walk into this green season recipe. Now, I'm not going to use sage because sage has a really unique flavor when you add it to your food, and it smells so good. Now, this is my peppermint, and the peppermint that I'm using here is one that I picked from my garden. I planted it when my husband planted it last year, so we're going to add some peppermint to the green season. Bell pepper is going to give it its own flavor as well as the celery too. The flavor and the texture, it does have flavor and a lot of fiber that I need. And rosemary, I'm going to add rosemary to it. For some reason, I love rosemary in my food, especially when I just let it hang out and dry. I dry it when it's like this, just leave it and let it dry for like 2 weeks. It so smells so good. Tarragon, I love that too. It has a nice little smell to it and flavor, and it tastes really good when you're baking chicken. Really nice. Basil, and I'm using the American basil. They have all kinds of basil on the shelf, but I like the American basil. So you can use whatever kind of basil you want. I just choose to use the American basil. And oregano tastes excellent when you are making stew beef, pot roast. So good. So we are going to add that to the green season. And dill, I love dill. Oh my god, dill pan fish are one of the meanest fish you can ever make, and it's so full of flavor. Now I'm gonna add some fresh garlic to it. Now sometimes I don't add the fresh garlic when I'm doing green season. I add it later on to the recipe, but this particular green season I'm going to add the fresh garlic. Now you're going to need a food processor for the recipe, so just go ahead and just add all your greens to it. I did not add any scallion, but you can definitely add scallion to it. I do like to add my scallion separately because I know everything I put scallion pan when I'm cooking, so I do like to go in and add my scallion to whatever recipe that I'm making. But yeah, you can either add some other things that you like here, but this is one of the best green seasoning recipe, healthy green season recipe that you could ever find. And not only that, a lot of these herbs that I'm using right here, I use them to make tea, guys. I also drink them. A nice hot cup of tea with all these greens does not get any better than this. Now, if you're still here watching me, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Don't wait around and not subscribe. Go ahead and do so. And also, I'm inserting the link down below, like I had stated earlier. The link for my second channel, Life with Juliana, will be down below. There's no more vegan recipes here, Goodie. So go ahead over there. So when I upload vegan recipe, they will be on my second channel, Life is Juliana. So make sure you also turn on your notification for that as well. Now when you're done right here, you just want to make sure everything is combined. The celery is combined and everything is the way it's supposed to be. And I'm not kidding. The smell that is coming from this processor is no ramping thing. Smells so good. I like mine a little refined, a little bit more chopped, but you could stop right here. But I gave it another like 5 seconds just to make everything combine better, and I was good to go. That is my green season, the best green season you could ever have in your kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple, and man, turn all the way up. Now, this particular green season, honey, you could put it into any recipe, anything that you are making. I enjoy putting it in my shrimp, honey, my snapper fish, any kind of fish. I just go ahead and season it up. I want you make some steamed snapper fish, lobster, crab, anything. Salmon, O to the M to the G. It tastes so good when you are doing that. Seafood boils. I did use green season for this particular seafood boil. Beef and then something that steak, pot roast, any kind of a meat that you are cooking. Even pork. Any recipe pork. Pot roast pork, stove top, put it in the oven, chicken, baked chicken, brown stew chicken, oxtail, to another level with oxtail when you add green seasoning pan it. Don't forget to know all the vegan goodies them when you're making your vegan meat. Oh my gosh. Add this green season to the vegan meat all the way up. Now store it in your refrigerator and you could have this for weeks on end as long as it's in your refrigerator and it's nice and cold. Make sure that you share this recipe with your friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. Spread the love, spread the love, spread the love. Me can't say it any better. Then after you done do that, tell me what you like to have me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!